everyone, this is Jess from Non-Techie Entrepreneur, and this tutorial is a part of the Mastering Shopify series. In this video, I am going to cover the Shopify Plans. Now that you have an understanding of what Shopify is and how it helps you, the next thing to get started would be the plans. How much would you be looking to spend monthly on your new store? Each Shopify store comes with a 14-day trial where you can get started with no credit card. After that, you will need to choose a plan to go forward with. You currently have 4 options. The first one is called Shopify Lite. This is, as the name may suggest, the light version of Shopify. You do not get a Shopify online store, so you don't get that website that comes with the other Shopify plans. With Shopify Lite, you receive what is called buy buttons, where you're able to sell on different website platforms, email marketing, and social media. With that, you are still able to benefit from Shopify Payments, where you can take the Apple Pay, you can take GPay, Amazon Pay, PayPal, all for your products. You also have the option to create invoices or draft orders to send to customers to get paid for your products and still be able to manage it from your Shopify dashboard. That is the Shopify Lite plan. Now, there are 3 main plans that people choose from, and that would be Basic Shopify, Shopify, and Advanced Shopify. Basic Shopify is one of the most common plans to start with when you're getting started with Shopify selling. It currently is $29 a month, and you receive the online store. You're able to input unlimited products. You have access to all of the sales channels that are available, discount codes. You get an SSL for your store. You are able to do abandoned cart recovery and sell gift cards. One difference with the plans is Shopify Shipping. You are given a discount for your shipping, and based on the plan determines what percent of the discount you will get. Also plan specific is your staff accounts. With Basic Shopify, you get 2 for $29 a month. For Shopify, at $79 a month, you get 5 staff accounts. And at Advanced Shopify, for $299 a month, you receive 15 staff accounts. The next one is location. So you get up to 4 locations with the Basic Shopify, up to 5 with Shopify, and up to 8 with Advanced Shopify. This means the places that you hold inventory, places that you have retail shops, you do events, all of those things factor into the locations. Now, if you're only selling from one location, then you're covered with either plan that you go with. Standard across the board is the Shopify Payments, where you have your fraud analysis, online credit card rates, in-person credit card rates are all pretty much the same. You get a small discount with the higher plans of Shopify. Then if you do have locations that you are running and you are in need of a POS system, you get Shopify POS Lite for free, which means you can instantly run it from your phone, your iPad, your tablet, and take payments and be able to have all of that rerouted to your Shopify dashboard. But if you are looking for something for your brick and mortar business, you have more retail locations, then Shopify has what is called Shopify Pos Pro. How it works is you get unlimited store staff, smart inventory management, staff roles and permissions are added, you get unlimited registers, and you're able to see how your in-store sales are going. So it all still funnels into your Shopify dashboard, but you're able to see how each arm of your business is doing. For adding the Shopify POS Pro, it is the cost of your plan. So if you're on the $29 a month plan, it would be $89 a month per location. So that helps you with setting that POS system up full for your retail and online, and being able to sell, being able to review analytics, and keep everything with one dashboard. So that is the Shopify plans. They're pretty self-explanatory. They really give you exactly what you need. Then you don't have to worry about upgrading for products. You really upgrade for what your business needs. If you need to add more people, then yes, you will need to go up in your Shopify plan. But basic Shopify is a great start and is there for you if you have a small team. So that is Shopify plans. I hope this tutorial helped. And if you're looking for more videos on Shopify, make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out the Shopify tutorial playlist.